Hello, guests. It's my party. It's my party. You. Hello.
Okay. Oh, I wanted to do this. I'm gonna do it.
Okay. Everyone is doing it.
No.
I love it.
Right. Welcome everyone, close friends and family. Thank you so much for indulging me in this experience. I'm not gonna be like too deep, but thank you for coming, and yeah, let's have a good time. Let's celebrate ourselves. It's not just about me. I want everyone to feel special today, and I want us to just unwind and take our time to celebrate life and all of its things. Today, life is good. Nothing else matters.
Let's hear it.
Yep, to life being good. Thank you. Yes. Thank you. People must be in frame. People must. Yes. No, yeah. You also got the invite. Exactly. Yeah.
I want you in it.
Blah blah blah. After you party, it's me.
These look savory as well. Middle. I have no idea, but it's good.
I'll try that next.
I think so, Suta actually.
Nah.
Yeah, definitely.
Yes, Sister Salaiti.
Good, thank
You
you.
know what we're having on one.
Okay.
Then it's a cheesecake.
Uh-huh.
Then is smoked chicken.
Of course.
And then this is your sun-dried tomato. And then this is your caramel pistachio.
Okay.
And then this is your white chocolate chiffon. This one here.
Ooh, it looks so
And
good.
then this is your red marmalade quiche. Then that other one is your it's your cheese quiche.
Okay.
And then this is your this is your lemon posette with a granadilla jam.
Okay. Oh, okay.
And
Siyabonga.
these are your scones here.
Thank you. Sirifila ka i-drinky.
Those heated ring and
Move into my grandmother.
the list is
When long are you gonna try everything?
It's sweet and
I need someone to try them for me and then gauge the sweetness. I don't either, yeah. I need someone to gauge the sweetness first. I do not have a sweet. Yeah.
Bana ba isi thunya.
You understand? Roommates.
I want to see you taste the dark chocolate.
Oh, okay, okay. The initial bit was
But uthe Marmite. Marmite.
Okay, I'm gonna try it.
You can have bubble. Yeah, or
Okay. Okay.
yeah, let me know how to
Of what you said, I put it on the top of my palette, and then
Yes,
I
the same
started
thing.
You put what on top? This part or this part?
The outer.
the outer, yeah. And then I push my tongue up, let it melt. Give it a few seconds.
I don't want that. I don't want that. This one I don't want. And the nuts just make it worse, right? The nuts in it.
Oh, that was
Okay, so Lisa's taking one for the team. She's trying this pistachio business that's happening here. Maqinas. Maqinas. You're right. It looks like.
really chocolate log. Just with pistachio flavor. Oh, I need that.
So chocolate log.
Cappuccino.
Okay. Sasha is influenced.
Oh, okay.
It's like layers, like really light layers, and then like a moussey kind of filling.
Yeah. Okay.
Chocolate also dark.
Where is the chocolate? Where is chocolate? Oh yes, I had that. That was the first one I had. I actually liked it.
This is good.
None.
Endaweni engathi tiramisu a little bit.
Never looks can be deceiving.
Yes. What a lesson to learn.
privileged.
My 26, the lesson that I'm learning as I turn 26 is that looks can be deceiving. It's giving catfish.
But we didn't try. Oh, actually, yeah.
Just two dimples.
I love this picture. Awusangizendeli wena ama-picture womntwana. We hate her. I love the color schemes and stuff also.
Little thickums.
That's what he said.
Okay.
Yes.
So can I open and put all of it?
Yes, please.
This is in the way.
Lisa is.
What am I even gonna say?
Ewe kaloku. Siyakuva thina.
We're doing a toast. Yes. See, I asked you why we're all here because of my beautiful, lovely sister. Thank you for being here. Thank you for fighting another day. I hate that you have to fight. I want softness for you only. But thank you for pushing and fighting and allowing us to carry you now where we are swallow in your own ways. The things I wish for you are more wealth, more love, more health.
Cheers. Thank you.
I just want to shout out.
Uh-huh.
HBD, KCC, love you loads.
Poochie.
I have no words. I love you.
Love you.
Thank you for being here.
Thanks, Poochie.
Now he has Njayani.
Shapere. Are you sure?
Sisonke mate.
Sisonke njaya.
La wena prize ayo wena mate.
Awe.
Love for wena talk man.
Sure.
Awe kyani.
Thank you, baby.
Because that's where the danger is.
That is where the danger is.
I love you later, HBD. No.
HB team, that's it. You too.